Here's our newest addition to the family. We call this one Buttons. Buttons. Kitty! Eating food. And we got another new cat around here. I think she's upstairs sleeping. But I'm going out the front door. It's hot today, about 90, but it's humid. Oh, I gotta get my shoes on. Bear with me. Okay. Alright, there's my garden, John. I know, I'm terrible. I don't weed it. But here's Pig in the shade. Piggy! Piggy, Piggy! He's got spaghetti sauce on his head. He eats all our leftovers. Okay. There's the Cosmo. Say hi, Cosmo. Say hi to Daddy. You tell him, when you coming to get me? These people here are crazy. Cosmo gets jealous when I talk to the pig. But him and the pig are friends. They don't... Cosmo used to try to bite him, but he doesn't anymore, so... Okay, Bonnie. Say hi to Daddy, Cosmo. Hi. But he looks cute, doesn't he? He's got his hair all nice and short. So he doesn't sweat to death because it's hot here. Okay. Let me pause this. Okay. Here's my garden. Alright, I know, I'm terrible. I don't weed it. But yeah, all the other things I got to do around here, the last thing I need to do is be out here in the sun weeding this sucker. But I'm trying. I got a whole bunch of cucumbers now. Those I had no problem with. And look, I got a watermelon growing. That's the first time I ever grew a watermelon, and I'm so proud. I'm hoping it comes to term. I got another one growing over here on the vine. I'm so happy. But I got a whole bunch of, I got all green tomatoes and no red ones. And I got all kinds of cucumbers. I don't know what that is. Look, Japanese beetles. But it's been real hot here. So, but as you can see, Cosmo's good. He's eating well. He likes his little doggy biscuits, I'll tell you that. Every day, he wants me to give him his little biscuits. Cosmo! Say hi! Doesn't he look cute with that haircut? I think he looks so much better. He's a keeper, looking like that. Oh, he was a mess before. This kind of haircut's better for him here because the water, it's real, the grass is real wet in the morning. So it was making his hair matted. I tried combing it, I couldn't comb it enough. Okay. Alright, John. Leave me feedback when you see this. Alright, bye. Here's my piggy. Hey, he turns over the thing all the time. He does not like that chair. He flips it over, I could put it back and he'll flip it over again. What, Cosmo? You mad because he ain't talking to you? Get Piggy. Piggy and Cosmo. The piggy loves Cosmo. Cosmo's still not sure about it. Look. You know what it is Piggy likes stealing Cosmo's water and his dish and his food. What's that piggy doing, Cos?